How many breaths do you take a day? 23,000. Any idea what's in your air? Everyday home activities generate invisible pollutants that remain in the air you breathe. Sensibo Pure is an intelligent, smart-sensing air purifier that keeps indoor air fresh while operating adaptively to your lifestyle. Using 3 layers of filtration, Pure easily handles all those micropollutants and neutralizes common viruses. But the true power of Sensibo Pure lies in its autonomous airflow control. Set it once and enjoy a quiet operation while at home, and an intelligent boost mode activation as you go out. Pure Boost IoT technology measures your indoor air quality 24/7, analyzing data of outside pollution, weather, and time of day, optimizing the venting power to deliver the highest air quality. And combined with a smart AC controller, circulation will increase to achieve efficiency higher than any other air purifier out there. Control your Pure using the Sensibo app or from your favorite smart home platform and voice assistant. Sensibo Pure, a fresh experience that fits your lifestyle.